In this video, I will show you how you can make Payoneer account easily from your laptop or your PC. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guided. So let's start our video. First, you have to click on the link given in the description box. You have to click on this and you will land on this current page. So you will click on sign up and earn 25. So you can easily then make your Payoneer account. I will click on this. So let's find the right account for you. So here are four options which can describe you to the Payoneer account. You can write freelancer or small and medium business, online seller, affiliate marketer or an individual. So I will select a freelancer or SMB. I am a type of freelancer, so I have selected this. Now it is asking me that I am looking to get paid by international clients or freelance marketplaces. So I will click on this and you can also follow my steps which I am doing. So I will click on the register. Now the main process is now starting. You will select an individual account if you are a single person, but if you are a company you have to select the company account, but I am individual so I will select this individual. So first you will write your first name, then last name, then email address, then re-enter your email address, and then you will specify your date of birth. Then you will write the captcha code given below. So I will write all of these and I will click on the next. For privacy reasons, I am not showing my own personal data and I will show you the next screen. So we have come to the next step, which is contact details. Now I will give all my contact details, my country, my street and house number, then more address, specified address to my home, and my city, town, and my postal code, which is different of every area. So I will fill all of these and then I will see you on the next screen on the security details. So wait for it. So now we have come to the next screen, which is security details. Now we will fill all the security details about our account. So here you will enter your password, you will re-enter your password, then your security question, and you will answer that security question. Then you will select ID details. I am from Pakistan, so I will select Pakistan and I will select my national ID. You can choose whatever you want to. You can choose driving license, you can choose passport, and you can use national ID, whichever is preferred by you. You can select that. In this line, you will enter your first name in your local language and last name in your local language. So I will fill all of these details and then I will enter again the security code and I will see you in the next screen. So now we have come to the almost done page and our account is ready to be made. So now we will fill our last details and this is the last step, and then we can create our own account on Payoneer. So here you will select your bank country, then your currency of your country, and then you will write your bank and then your account holder name, and then you will write your IBAN number of your bank. So I will put all of these and then you will click on the I agree to terms and service and privacy policy, and then you will click on the I agree to the pricing and fees, and then you will click on submit button. And when you will click on the submit button, your account will be made on the Payoneer and you can enjoy all the services which are given by the Payoneer account. So this is the whole process of making your Payoneer account from your laptop or your PC, and you can follow similar process from your mobile phone in your Chrome browser. So make sure to click on the link in the description box. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and you can also support our channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.